We're making teriyaki chicken. The first thing you're going to want to do is get about a pound of chicken. We use chicken thighs. You go ahead and coat it in some flour, and then turn your heat on and coat your pan in some oil. And then after you coat your chicken, go ahead and put the chicken in the pan while it heats up. And while the chicken is cooking, you're going to make your sauce. We use some garlic, some sugar, and then a 1:1:1 ratio of soy sauce, mirin, and sake. We use 2 tablespoons of each. And then you're gonna go ahead and mix that all together. Go ahead and cook your chicken some more until it is nice and crispy and golden brown. And then when you're ready to add in your sauce, you're gonna pour your sauce over your chicken and add a little bit of potato starch, or cornstarch is okay too. This will help thicken your sauce. And then you are all done. We like to garnish with green onions, some Kewpie mayo, and then sometimes we also like to add some sesame seeds as well. And then we like to eat it with a little bit of avocado and miso soup that we do kind of Korean style. And there you go, that's our meal. Enjoy.